In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to view all tickets in Zendesk support. Whether you're an agent or an admin, having the ability to access your tickets easily is incredibly important for staying organized and effective. Let's walk through the process step by step. First things first, you'll want to log into your Zendesk support account. You need to be either an agent or an admin to have the proper permissions for what we're going to do. Once you're logged in, take a look at the sidebar on your screen. You should see an option for Views under a section titled Agent Tools, or something quite similar. Views is basically where you'll find your ticket queues listed neatly, and it's our gateway to observing the tickets we want. Now, when you click on Views, you will see some of the existing views that Zendesk has set for you, such as All Unsolved Tickets. Convenient, right? But hey, if none of these suit your requirements perfectly, there's absolutely no need to worry. You can create a custom view tailored just for you. So, if you're up for creating your own view, head over to the Admin Center. From there, you'll navigate to Workspaces, then down to Agent Tools, where you'll find Views, and finally, click on Add View. This is the part where you tell Zendesk exactly what you want to see. You can set conditions for your view to match your specific needs. For instance, you might want to set the condition to capture tickets whose status is less than solved or closed. This selection will show you all open or ongoing tickets, which is typically the most active queue for agents. After setting these conditions, don't forget the crucial step of saving your view. Once it's saved, simply select it from the Views menu. And there it is, your own curated list of tickets awaiting your attention. If you happen to also need to keep an eye on the closed tickets, which might be excluded by default in some views, there's an easy fix for that. You can put together another view where the status condition is set to closed or solved. The flexibility of Zendesk's platform truly stands out here, allowing you to organize and access information in a way that fits the unique processes of your team. And there you have it. By personalizing your views, you can ensure you're always in tune with the statuses and workflows of your tickets, making you more efficient and in control. Whether you're solving pressing questions, organizing your workflow, or just keeping tabs on everything your team is handling, these Zendesk features are designed to make your job easier and your workspace clearer. Thanks for watching, and I hope this tutorial helped make navigating your Zendesk support views a piece of cake. Keep tuning in for more tips and tricks to streamline your work processes.